Hello students, once again I welcome you in the another class of Business Studies, class 12. Today we are going to see Maslow's need hierarchy theory. Maslow's need hierarchy theory of motivation. So this theory of motivation plays a very vital role nowadays, because Maslow feel that unless and until the basic needs of each and every individual not get fulfilled, he can't able to render proper services to the management. So every person in this world are having a basic needs. So first of all, we must give proper attention to fulfill the basic needs of our staff member. Then only he concentrates in his work and he want to give 100% to the management. He tries his level best to give 100% to the management. So that's why Maslow plays a very vital role in the field of motivation. Okay? So what he says, what are those basic needs that we are going to study under this flowchart? Clear? It is clearly mentioned. These are the Maslow's need hierarchy theory of motivation. According to the priority ones, they ranked. Okay? The first point he says, that is the basic psychological needs. Basic psychological needs. Unless and until the basic psychological needs are not get fulfilled, we can't satisfy a particular person. For example, the person who is in hunger, if we give enough money to him, it will not boost that particular person. We need to give food. You're getting the point? So this was the psychological basic needs. So first we have to see that what is the psychological need of that particular person. Under this psychological need, shelter comes, food comes, okay, clothes comes. This all comes under psychological needs. So when a staff member feels that he is having this all psychological needs, he gets satisfied and he concentrates in his work and try to give 100% to the management. So first of all, we have to fulfill the psychological need of each and every staff member. Then safety, security needs. Everyone want to have a kind of safety in work area. Safety in the sense, safety of job security, such as job security, income guarantee, retirement benefit, such as pension scheme and all. So every employee wants this kind of safety. So we have to give this kind of facilities to our staff member. Then only he can satisfy with our motivational techniques and he tries his level best to work for the management. So that is the safety and security needs. Next is belonging needs. Belonging needs means everyone want to have a kind of affection with each other. You're getting the point? Every worker wants that management should treat them as a friend, as a family member. A cordial relation must be there. Every employee they feel to have a cordial relationship with the management. When this thing is established, the things are satisfied and everyone tries their level best to work for the management. Next need is esteem need. Esteem needs means self-respect, attention. or affiliation. Means we should give proper attention to give respect to our staff member. If any staff is doing good to the management, we have to pay proper attention. If anyone does good to the management, recognitions should be given. So this kind of thing they expect from the management. When they get, they satisfy and they'll work for the management. So this is all under esteem needs. Next comes self-actualization needs. This is the highest need. Okay, it related with growth. We should give enough chance to a particular staff member, who is capable to grow higher and higher. We give enough time to our staff member to prove themselves. Okay, so this all comes self-actualization needs. When they get this kind of time, or when they get this kind of boosting from the management, they work for it and they try to achieve more for the management. Hope you understood what is all about hierarchy, need of motivation. See you in next video to explore a new knowledge.